Is it good? Oh, the fingers in the icing.
Put a little bit on your finger and put it in her mouth so she knows what it is.
She knows what it is. The butterfly, I don't think that's edible, right?
Yeah, it looks plastic, right?
All right, we'll take that out. It's a ring.
Oh,
There we go.
oh, yummy.
Good?
Good. Here, go eat it.
Eat.
I dare you, Miranda. I dare you.
What's Miranda doing? Can you see?
Aw, yeah, good girl. Aw.
She got those little ball things. I don't know.
Aw.
You want cake? She's like, what about me? I want a piece.
That's a good girl.
You gotta send it to me so I can show Granny.
You can use your hands too.
She's like, but it's more fun not to get them dirty. You want to eat cake?
You're getting cake mustache.
Okay. We're gonna get some cake.
Yeah, give it to me. I'll cut it.
Mmm. Yummy.
Somebody's sleepy.
Always going to have cake. You're having cake?
That looks delicious.
Is it good? Yay! Yay!
I'd rather eat that.
I was just gonna eat like that. Really like Miranda tonight. She does do the reason cake.
Up your nose.
She's going to like sweets now.
So you're going to have a piece, right?
Yeah, I'll go with
Yeah,
it.
cut it.
Oh, that's yeah. I have any cake. That's good. Fine.
Push
Oh.
it across like that.
Miranda's having lots of fun with the cake. Okay, come on,
One,
get
two,
your fork.
three,
Go there.
four.
Look at it.
How many more? 2 more pieces?
2 or 5 pieces.
You Slurpee.